Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jaipur location. It is from Rajasthan. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Genpact. They are looking for process developer, record to report. Coming to the minimum qualifications like BCom is preferred. Coming to the preferred qualifications, meaningful experience in repeated captive or outsourcing RTR operations, good written or verbal communications, MS Excel knowledge, pivot, VLOOKUP, macros, and IT skills like ERP, MS Office, and partner management experience and quality lean or process improvement knowledge is required. Coming to the job responsibilities, journal entries, creation and booking, review and performing month-end close activities, fixed assets capitalization and maintenance, intercompany accounting, bank and investment reconciliations, general ledger reconciliations. These are the job responsibilities. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Jaipur Rugs. They are looking for e-commerce manager. Coming to the operations, the candidates are responsible for day-to-day operations, main point of contacts with the internal teams such as customer service, logistic, accounting for account related matters, and reconciliation of accounts with support from finance team. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here, or else you can apply to this job by the link given below in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for business analyst in VVoice Labs Private Limited. Coming to the job responsibilities, gathering, documenting and analyzing various business requirements, documenting and agreement writing, making presentation according to the business needs, and must be able to keep records and keep track of routine tasks and assist in writing proposals. These are the responsibilities for the candidates. And coming to the skills and qualifications required, like the candidates should have bachelor's degree or equivalent experience and fluency in Microsoft Office suite like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. and must have superior written and verbal communication skills as well as good presentation skills are required and ability to make reports or documents on specified date and must have strong interpersonal skills are required. These are the skills and qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for e-commerce manager in D Kultur. Coming to the job responsibilities like management of official websites including foreign languages, international marketplaces, social media platforms like SEO, creative or technical or web content writing and campaigns or contests, and managing B2C and B2B online marketplaces. The operations would include online cataloging and marketing and promotions, optimizations, order processing, managing returns and refunds, replying to queries, case rise, etc. And marketplaces would include Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Flipkart, Trade India, and IndiaMart, Exporters India, etc. And business development of official websites, correspondence with international customers for orders, ensuring compliances of international taxation, shipments and exports, law and regulations, customs, duties, IOR, FDE, legal and operational risk management. These are the job responsibilities for the candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist in Captain Fintech. Coming to the job responsibilities, those like planning digital marketing campaigns including web, SEO or SEM, email, social media and display advertising, maintaining their social media presence across all digital channels, and measuring and reporting on the performance of all digital marketing campaigns, target advertising, email marketing, brand management, and utilize strong analytical ability to evaluate end-to-end customer experience across multiple channels and customer touchpoints, identify trends and insights, and optimize spend and performance based on the insights, and brainstorm new and creative growth strategies, collaborate with internal teams to create landing pages and optimize user experience. These are the job responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for application analyst in Punch. Coming to the qualifications and experience required for this job role, those like the candidates should have 1 to 2 years of professional work experience with customers in an application B2C support role in a SaaS company, curious, investigative nature, and skilled at probing and asking questions to get to the core of customer issues, and the candidates should have strong time management skills and the ability to respond well to time pressures and deadlines, ability to prioritize and trace competing priorities and maintain focus on successful resolution of issues and tasks, and customer empathy, a strong desire to resolve issues towards customer happiness, and impeccable attention to detail, clear communicator both in writing and verbally, creative, resourceful problem solver, embraces a strong sense of accountability and ownership, and excellent English communication skills and email etiquette. These are the qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Senior Associate SEO in Fabriclore Retail Private Limited. Coming to the desired qualifications and experience required, those like the candidates should have proven SEO experience, up to date with the latest trends and best practices in SEO, solid understanding of performance marketing, conversion, and online customer acquisition, in-depth experience with Google Analytics and other industry standard tools, knowledge of ranking factors and search engine algorithms, bachelor's or master's degree preferably in computer science or application, or minimum 6 months diploma in SEO and digital marketing is preferred, and the candidates should have 2 to 4 years of relevant experience, and these are the desired qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for Facebook Ads Expert in Get Marketed. Coming to the job requirements, those like plan, budget, and execute on all Facebook paid advertising, evolve and expand their existing paid ads program through continuous testing, coordinate with the marketing team to identify merchandising priorities and set up new user journeys to maximize conversion, analyze and report on performance and efficiency, share learning from testing and find new opportunities to grow, continuously research best practices and experiment with new tools to optimize their advertising. These are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for e-commerce executive in HR team Choria Jewels. Coming to the job requirements, the candidates should manage web content on the e-commerce product database, including attribute determination, product selection, product build, product upload, and visual display on content writing. And the candidates should drive complaints, resolution of invalid, incomplete, or inaccurate data content, and determine new attribute and brand abbreviations and maintain cross-reference table. And coming to the skills required, those like the candidates should have excellent PC skills, including strong knowledge in MS Office products and advanced knowledge in Microsoft Excel, and knowledge of search engine marketing and search engine optimization A+, and must be accurate and detail oriented, and creative problem solver with excellent follow through skills. And coming to the qualifications required, Those like the candidates should have minimum bachelor's degree in marketing, and freshers or interns also can apply for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.